So hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to do the robot repair. So it's quite easy to do. Before I teach you, please subscribe to my channel, like, share all my videos, and you can see here, you can message, you can email me, and you can follow me in blog, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. This is my email. You can message me whenever you want. So let's go to the topic. So today's topic is robot repair. Okay, before I teach you, you should read the instruction. Add the right arm's identifier to the code with the same height, width, and fill the left arm. So okay, say this got the left arm, and they said we should do height, weight, fill wide, everything should be same exact like right arm. So let's do that. Okay, here set left arm, then they say they put ATR, then height. Okay, we should height, then it should be 5. Okay, they said exactly should be like that. Okay, wait. Wait one sec. Wait, it's not coming. Yeah. Then game type width should be 25. Okay. Then again another ATTR. Again fill. This one is white. Okay. Fill white. Yeah, they got white. No, they said only fill. Okay, white also. Okay, white. Okay, done. Again, a TTR. Okay, now the ATR, and they say the second point is set the X position of the right arm to 130. 130. So we can write here AX, and here is 130. 130. Okay, then again ATTR. So HTR, and third point is set the Y value of the right arm to 75. So the Y value is 75. 75. Okay, done. And the left eye identified to the code of the set radius R29. Okay, this one is the next stop. Next. Okay, take a new line, and we should put, since it left eye, so left eye ATTR, and should be R, and this one should be a 9. So 9. So yes, run the code. Say start the puzzle by adding the right arm to the code. Oh, we did a mistake here. This one should be a right arm, not a left arm. I'm sorry, right arm. Can run the code now. Yes, you have done the code. So thank you guys for seeing my video. Please like, share, and subscribe all my videos you've seen. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next topic.